You can make this smoked apples dessert with really any apples. Today I'm using Gala apples. I find they're a little bit sweet, but you could use red or green apples, whatever you have on hand. You just want to make sure to slice the apples in half, remove the center, so core them, and then you sprinkle on some delicious seasonings. Here I'm using some brown sugar. There's going to be melted butter that goes on top and really helps them kind of caramelize as they cook. You can add cinnamon, walnuts, raisins, any dried fruit you'd like really, and I don't know, just anything else you have in your pantry that would look good on top. Slap it on in, and then it's time to take these out to the smoker. Now this is a pretty fast smoker recipe. I like it because it only takes about an hour to an hour and a half at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Here, the smoked apples are smoking with cream cheese, which is another really tasty recipe you can find on Sip Bite Go. When they're fork tender, they're ready to take out of the Traeger grill, so you can go ahead and find your favorite ice cream. Alden's always sends me ice cream, so I usually have some in my freezer. This is just some vanilla ice cream on top. It's so good. It really tastes like an apple crisp or a smoked apple cobbler, but it's a little bit simpler to make. Get this recipe and more at Sip Bite Go. Cheers! Yum!